Hello everyone, myself Krishna. In this video, I am going to explain classic Excel activities like lookup range activity and remove duplicates range activities in UiPath Studio. So let's get started. Lookup range activity. If you want to search any value in the input Excel file to know the first matched cell number, we can use the lookup range activity. For the lookup range activity, we need to mention the sheet name in which you wanted to search the value, and then we need to mention the value that you wanted to search in the input Excel file. Then here we need to mention the range. In case if you are not mentioning the range, the mentioned value will be searched in the entire sheet data. The output of the lookup range activity would be string format. So let me create a variable str match cell number. So let me take one log message to display the output. Right. So let's run the process and verify the output. So the process execution has been completed. So in the output panel, we can see the matched first cell number as B2. So let me open the input Excel file. So in the B2 cell, we have a 70 number is available. Basically, the lookup range activity will not look for the exact match. It will use the contains operator. If any of the cell number contains the mentioned value, then it will return the first occurrence of the cell number. Now let's see how we can search the value in the column wise. So I wanted to search the value in the unit price. My range would be F2 to F16. So here I am going to mention the range F2 to F16. So I want to search the same value 70. So let's run the process and verify the output. So in the output panel, so we can see the first matched cell number as F5. So let's open the input Excel file. So here in the unit price, so basically we have 70 number is available in the multiple cells. So but it is returning the first matched cell number only. So that is F5. Now let's see how we can search the value in row wise. So I wanted to search the value that is 22 in last row, that is A16 to J16. So let's see how we can do that. So here my range would be A16 to J16. Now I am going to change the value to 22. Now let's save and run the process and verify the output. So in the output panel we can see the first matched cell number as B16. So let's open the input Excel file. So in the B16 we have 22 number is available, right? In case if the value is not found in the input Excel file, then it will going to return empty value. So let me change the value. So let's run and verify the output. So in the output panel we can see empty value, right? Remove duplicates range activity. If you want to remove duplicate rows or duplicate columns data in the input Excel file, we can use the remove duplicates range activity. For this activity, we need to mention the sheet name in which you wanted to remove the duplicates, and then we need to specify the range. So let's see how we can remove the duplicate rows first. In the input Excel file, the data is available from A to J, right? So the range would be A to J. And let me add a few duplicate rows here. Let's save and go back to the UiPath Studio. So here I'm going to mention the range as A to J, right? If I run the process, it will going to remove the duplicate rows if any identified. Then the remaining rows information will move to the upward direction to fill the empty rows, right? So let's run the process and verify the output. Now the process execution has been completed. So let's open the input Excel file. So now the duplicates has been removed, right? The data has been moved to the upward direction to fill the empty rows. Now let's see how we can remove the duplicates in the column wise. So in the status, I wanted to remove the duplicates. So here the range would be H2 to H13, right? H2 to H13. So let's save and run the process and verify the output. Now the process execution has been completed. Let's open the input Excel file. Now all the duplicates has been removed and the data has been moved to the upward direction to fill the empty cells, right? This way we can work with lookup range activity, remove duplicates range activities in UiPath Studio. Hope this video is helpful. Thanks for watching this video. Have a nice day.